Understanding Landlord Contact, a guide for English language learners. Hello and welcome, learners. Today, we're diving into the phrase, landlord contact. Whether you're renting an apartment or simply exploring English for real estate, understanding this term is essential. So, let's unlock the meaning together. Landlord contact refers to the information you use to communicate with your landlord. This might include a phone number, email address, or even a physical address. It's your key to addressing your housing needs, from repair requests to lease discussions. Knowing your landlord's contact information is crucial. It ensures you can report maintenance issues promptly, discuss lease terms or renewals, seek assistance in emergencies. Having this information at hand means peace of mind and a smoother renting experience. While it's important to know your landlord's contact, respecting boundaries is key. Use this information for scheduled communications, lease discussions, pre-arranged meetings, urgent matters, emergency repairs, safety concerns, regular updates, reporting minor issues or seeking guidance. Remember, respectful and clear communication builds a strong tenant-landlord relationship. Understanding and utilizing your landlord contact is more than just knowing a phone number. It's about fostering a positive living environment and ensuring clear communication. We hope this video helps you navigate your renting journey smoothly. Happy learning and happy renting!